Hello everybody, this is an unboxing of the new FLUVAL Evo 12. It's actually a 13.5 gallon tank, and I was very lucky to be able to get it. Nobody sells this at any stores around here, so I was able to get one of the local fish stores to order it for me. It cost $151. The site says starts at $159, so I guess I got a deal. So here's the front of it. One of the sides. Just talks about the lid and some of the features of the aquarium. Here's the back. Here's the other side. And you see on this side it has a protein skimmer that's made specifically for it, right here. And that is the FLUVAL PS2 micro protein skimmer. I have that on order. It'll be here in about 2 to 3 weeks. And it shows the heater that goes into it. It's a FLUVAL M40. I think it's only a 50-watt heater. Also went ahead and picked up this FLUVAL hydrometer. We'll see how accurate that is. I know a refractometer is a lot better. Okay, so here's the unboxing. So here's a card. It says congratulations on your purchase. Has a link to Mr. Saltwater Tank. I know he does a setup video. Here's just the instruction guide. The first box. It's the lid. Feels pretty sturdy. Here's the opening for where you put the food. And the opening for the light. It's another part of the lid that goes over the sump area. And this part here pops out, so you can put the protein skimmer. Like here's the pump. And I think it says the power information on the box. Okay, it's 132 gallons an hour. This should be the light. just a plug for the light. It's a surface skimmer. Here's the nozzles and the tubing. Okay, let's get the aquarium. Looks really nice. And here's the filter media. The sump looks like in the back. So we can go ahead and put the lid on it. That's what it looks like. The light on, see how that looks. So that's the daytime light. There's the nighttime. It's just touch sensitive. You barely touch it. Okay. It's really nice. Okay, well there you have it. There's the new FLUVAL Evo 12 13.5 gallon tank.